Show guys, amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things we love to make in the kitchen at home. Anyway, easy and simple recipe for you to make at home. We're going to be making some Jamaican cornmeal porridge on the menu again. I'm always doing cornmeal porridge, and you know, if I'm making cornmeal porridge, the video will be on the YouTube channel. So you know what I mean, that's every day, that's how we do it. Anyway, very lovely recipe. You know what I mean, we're going to serve it with some water crackers again. You know what I mean, we all know that water crackers is good for us. So thank you for tuning with Chef Ricardo. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And don't forget, subscribe and go over to my Instagram and my Facebook page and support Chef Ricardo. Remember, the cookbook is over there also on my website. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please stay tuned. One love again from Chef Ricardo. So what we're gonna do, have some fine cornmeal. So I'm gonna simple. Okay, now this is 3/4 cup of cornmeal. Alright. So I'm not gonna be using a lot. 3/4 cup of cornmeal, 78 ml. Alright, now I'm gonna put some water inside of it. One, and I'm just gonna be using one. Give it a mix. I'm just using the fork to mix it. Now I'm gonna put some coconut milk. 3/4 cups of coconut milk into it. Because I'm not going to be making a lot of porridge, just going to just simply rinse out the cup, a little bit of water. So you just want to give it a good stir like this. Right, let's go over to the pot. Nice one. So right here I have 2 cups of water inside of it. I'm gonna pour cornmeal in it. Let's rinse it out with some coconut milk. Oh, you know the coconut milk gonna finish, so I'm just gonna put the rest in it. This is roughly about 3/4 cup. A little bit of coconut. Doesn't need just a little bit that. Give it a stir. Just keep stirring it until it's gonna get really thick. And see, it's cooking. So that's what they want to see when they get thick like this. So we're just going to leave this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Nice one. Really nice. Nice one. It's looking good. That's exactly what we're talking about. See, allow this to cook for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, now time to sweeten it. I'm gonna put some Jamaican nutmeg, roughly about half teaspoon. Grounded cinnamon, just a pinch, not much. Mixed spice. Where it is. Jamaican vanilla, 1 teaspoon. Alright, now guys, I'm gonna put some Jamaican. This is some molasses, roughly about half teaspoon of molasses. Not good for man. Yeah man, molasses is good for man. Wow, that's the only thing I don't like with the molasses. It just mess up everywhere when you're using it. But it's good still. It's good to go. Alright. That looking amazing. Proper amazing, guys. A little bit of salt, sea salt, the best you can ever use at home. Jamaican sweet condensed milk. Right. Sweeten and taste as it goes along, please. Let's taste it. Right, just a little bit more condensed milk. I know them I like how they make them milk, and it doesn't too sweet, you know. Nothing more else. I don't need to taste it. It's pretty good. Perfect. That is perfect. Look at it. Fantastic and amazing. I don't need to taste it because I know it is just perfect. Alright, now I'm just gonna give that a few more minutes and then we're going to shear it up. Alright, as you can see exactly what's going on in the pot with Chef Ricardo on the porridge. Alright, now Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Alright, so please stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. Share it up, you know. Yeah, porridge just finished. Yeah, I hit this. Look at this. Nice one. Nice, lovely bowl of porridge. Alright, I hit that, guys. That's it in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. So we have to normally do it. If you got some Jamaican hardware bread, good to go. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright? Subscribe is very important. Go over to my Instagram and get the recipe how to make Jamaican cornmeal porridge with a twist with coconut milk, molasses, and also we got crackers. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.